I can only
But
see
this,
winning trades.
yeah, because like I said, I close the trades that are before the news,
Yeah.
and I
What
just don't
kind of
like them.
news? High impact news or medium impact news or only the high impact news?
High impact,
Only
all the
high.
red,
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
Makes
and
sense.
uh, and I just close them. I don't know. I prefer to be zero than just gambling. I don't want to
Yeah,
gamble anymore. I had enough.
that's very clever. First of all, thank you for taking the time to make this interview happen. I have a couple of questions for you, buddy. First of all, would be great if you can introduce yourself. Who are you? What you do for a living? And yeah, what you do besides trading?
Hello, my name is Darko. I have a company in France. I live in Spain. So I'm running the day-to-day operations in the company. So uh, to trade daily, you need time, which I actually don't have. So having a automated system that can trade, uh, this is what I needed. And for my past 3-4 years, kind of learning technical stuff, I understand how it works. So this is what I need to be able to make the investments.
And
So yeah.
how did you first got into trading?
I actually moved from COVID 2020 to Tenerife. And then, yeah, because you never know, they closed down my business, COVID, we couldn't work. And I was like, yeah, let's learn how to trade because I'm already in crypto. And I started actually trading crypto. And then from crypto, I got, introduced to S&P 500, Forex, the YouTube stuff people talk about. And yeah, and then I found you, how you trade, the Nasdaq, and all this stuff.
Yeah, awesome. And how did you trade before using the Genius AI Investor Circle, the GTFX Optimizer AI trading engine? Have you traded completely manually, or
Yes.
what kind of systems have you used? Did you have a special strategy?
I
And
was
how was it?
trading. I was trading, what you see on YouTube, so you never know what works. Then I started to learn ICT, catastrophic for me.
Yeah, it was
Because
catastrophic. Why?
it took 8 months of my time. And after I was not profitable, I was confused, order block, Judas swing, this, that, crazy.
Yeah, I was taking my head into the ICT mentorship as well. I've spent a lot of time learning all that stuff as well, and I try to find my own way and simplify it a little bit. I mean, you've read the index sniper strategy. This was kind of an ICT strategy, but a little bit more simplified. Yeah, I've done something like that as well, but I can definitely relate to, yeah, it's pretty hard to listen to this guy for 1.5 hours and then do
Not
this
50 hours.
40 times or whatever. He loves to talk a lot. And yeah, but man, he's a great mentor. It's definitely good, but it's tough. It's still tough to become profitable at the end of the day, even if it's even if this kind of stuff can work. Yeah, but
Yeah.
not going to work for everybody. That's for sure.
No, because my problem was always the emotions. If you don't have this under control, you're burned.
Yes.
And when you have the trade, you're in profit, then you're scared. Oh, I will lose my profit. So you close too early.
Yes.
Stupid stuff like this.
And when the market is running against you, you start hoping, oh, it will turn back, and then you take big losses and small profits.
Exactly.
That's where most people struggle 100%. So would you say this was one of your biggest challenges back in the days to become profitable? This fear and greed and hope kind of stuff?
This is it.
Only the emotions, right?
Emotions. Because I know technical how it works and I can see everything, but emotions.
Yeah, 100%. And this was one of the main reasons why I started to put my head into the automation kind of stuff, because before that I was trying a lot of stuff with automatic bots, but they all have been lagging, or they shoot a signal, then they shoot another one and another one, and like it was not really, I was not really putting my trust into automation until I put my head into it and put all my experience inside. And because I've trained a lot of people during the last 5 years until 2019 when I started this YouTube kind of stuff, and with the Genius Trading Masterclass, teach a lot of dudes, but most of them struggle with emotions. And I was thinking about maybe we can get this this hurdle out of the equation, like the emotions, the human nature out of the equation. This was one of my goals. And I think we did a really good job with that system. I think it's the best system you can get on the market as a retail trader, that's for sure. And yeah, I would love to know, how did you heard about GTFX Optimizer AI trading engine? I mean, you were part of our Genius Trading Masterclass, right?
Yes, I bought the course, everything what you need inside, but back again to the emotions. And then you introduce one day, I don't remember, maybe in March or April 2024, the GTFX. And I said, let's go. I know who you are, I know what you do, how you're profitable, so this must work. That was my mindset.
Yeah. And what do you like the most about our GTFX Optimizer AI trading engine?
Because I don't have to be behind my computer. It works automatically. I can work, which I have patients and clients in my business, and I just get an email, profit filled. Oh, okay, nice. So
yeah,
that's what I like. Yeah.
And with how much capital do you trade the GTFX Optimizer at this moment?
Yes, first I started 200K FTMO, and this didn't work out. That was in April.
Yeah, one of our first tests. We still had a lot of work to do to update a couple of things with the kill switch and a couple of risk parameters that we had to put inside. Yeah,
exactly. And this is what I noticed, that it's not working before the news.
Yeah.
So for example, yesterday I lost a trade, for example, because USD Canada London session I got in, and then the news yesterday was 2:30 or 3:30 European time, and my stop loss was hit because the news, America, it's gambling.
Yeah. It's especially at news events, they move so violently because there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets for that moment, and all the passive orders, all the limit and buy orders that are sitting on the sideline, giving liquidity, they move away, and then small orders can move the market violently. And that's why news events, they hit so violent up and down in both directions, and just stopping people out because of this uncertainty in the market. Yeah.
But just let me tell you this, how I avoid this is I get out.
Yeah.
If I have break even, I don't care. If I have a little loss, I go out, just to avoid this gambling.
Yeah. And we have an awesome indicator implemented in that tool, which always has the upcoming news for the week implemented, and you can choose if you want to trade these high news events or if you want to get out, and you can select around what time you want to get out, or don't take a trade. Like you can say, okay, 1 hour before that news event, don't take any trades until 1 hour after that. The GTFX economic news events indicator. Yeah, man. Do you plan to scale your capital further in the future? I mean, you trade, how much capital you trade at this moment? We stopped at the 100K FTMO. How much
I have a small account. I have $3,000. This is just for testing, to prove to myself that if I put 100,000 in, it will work the same.
Yeah.
So, but like I did a video in the Discord, if you have 3,300 and you compound it for the next 5 years, you will be able to make 1 million if you can reach 10% every month.
10% a month is huge, yeah, but I think it's achievable. it's achievable, I think, on the long run.
It is.
100%. Yeah.
But I want to put my own capital, like I said, 100, maybe more. But testing to get experience, to really understand how the robot works, and then the rest is history.
Yeah. Have you tested? I mean, you are trading live right now. You have a couple of trades already. Yeah. What
Yeah.
kind of markets are you focused on?
S&P 500. You mean with the bot or manual?
No, I mean with the optimizer.
Yeah, it's just silver and USDT Canada right now.
Okay.
Silver.
Okay. So you have a couple of trades there already. How it's running? I saw you made a video. You made also already in 1 month how much? 50% profit. Eh?
Yeah, it was around 40-50 because, like I said, I closed the trade before the news.
That's clever. Yeah.
I don't want any gambling because this is how I lost all of my money. When I lost, news destroyed me.
Yeah, it's a big thing. I agree, man.
Yeah.
Okay. How does it feel to use an automated system instead of spending hours analyzing charts yourself?
Kind of boring, you have too much time.
So what you do with all that time that you have right now?
I told you I'm running the company in France, so I'm managing all the marketing and clients and stuff. So, and yeah, all the good stuff.
Do you have any hobbies?
Hobbies? Yeah, sport when I have time, my family, my son, and my wife, and that's plenty of time, believe me.
Yeah, that's a lot. I can understand. Yeah, man. So what are your plans for the next 5 years with trading?
I'm waiting now to sell.
You're gonna stick to the automation?
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
I'm planning to sell off my crypto now, coming this year, and then I will have better capital, huge capital, and this will go all to the automation.
Yeah. And what kind of markets you want to discover with our optimizer as well? Are you running optimization runs in the in the background to find new sweet spots for other markets as well? Do you want to bigger your portfolio?
I'm looking always gold, silver. This is really what I like. I test every minute. I find out that 7 minutes is nice, 10 minutes works, 30 minutes is cool, but 15, it's every time frame works, but just on the 30 minutes, for example, you have less trades. But when you hit them good. This is just for my back testing. 30 minutes, 15.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm running some backtests at the moment as well on NASDAQ. I'm trying to find sweet spot. There's still so much. I think we just have maybe found 3 or 4 or 5% of what this system is actually capable of. There are still so many markets that we need to run through our optimizer and find sweet spots, and there's still so many different kind of risk management strategies that we can test out with trailing stops and all that stuff fully automated. It's really crazy. My head is burning. It's so much we can do there. It's crazy. It's opportunity.
As long as I get my 10% per month, I'm happy,
Would you recommend the GTFX Optimizer AI trading engine to your friends, family, or anybody?
I'm all ready.
Yeah.
So yes.
You already do that?
Yes, I want this for my friend. He lives in Slovenia, so his salary is a little bit low, but we can get him to replace his salary, for example, with that, and I will help him to do that. You see, I'm doing the interview because I see how it works, and it works.
Can you show us some of the results that you made the last month? I mean, it's we still have a long way to go, but I mean, it was a pretty good start, man. Can you show us something?
I can show you the last month. Let me just open my broker. You will see I have a lot of trades that are.
Have you showed the results to your friend? Is he excited?
I'm sharing every day this
Awesome.
previous month. Okay, I need to share my screen. Right, let me see. So this is, I'm already right now in the trade silver today.
I can only
But
see
this-
winning trades.
Yeah, because like I said, I closed the trades that are before the news,
Yeah.
and I
What
just
kind
don't
of
like them.
news? High impact news or medium impact news or only the high impact news?
High impact,
Only
all the
high.
red.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Makes
and
sense.
and I just close them. I don't know. I prefer to be zero than just gambling. I don't want to
Yeah.
gamble anymore. I had enough.
That's very clever.
You can see I had 2,800 account. I did 1,600 last month. It's all the robot.
You made
I just canceled.
50% in just 1 month with this strategy. And you're not doing it 100% automatically. You closing manually. So you intervent the system a little bit. So you use it to your advantage to take the entries at the perfect time without even being in front of the chart. Then you have set up a timer, or you just check the chart regularly for the news events. How you do that? You have an alarm.
I'm checking the news. I'm checking the news.
Okay, you just have the news in. Okay, and then you just close them. And this is
For
something you
example-
can do from your phone, from everywhere. You don't need to be in front of your computer. You can easily close it.
Exactly. And my secret, not secret, but let's say the trade is open in the London session. So if until 2 p.m. European time, the trade is not finished or it didn't hit my TP, I go and I check what's going on. News, I want to get out. That's kind of how I see it.
Okay, and if there's no news events coming, you let it run.
Exactly.
You
I
don't
leave
move the stop loss. You leave it where it is, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because like I said yesterday, I lost the trade. I was not behind my computer, and the news killed me.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%.
So that was
Awesome,
this.
man. I'm very happy that you found a way to make this thing work. I hope it will continue like that. I'm sure we're gonna make another interview in the future. Man,
Oh.
thank you for taking the time.